Doctors and nurse practitioners, this is your moment. Discover how adding Botox and GLP-1 weight management to your practice isn't just a service. It's a power move that can skyrocket your revenue and redefine your career. Stick around to see how the IAPAM's proven strategies are helping medical professionals like you achieve autonomy, profitability, and unparalleled success. With over 10,000 certified providers and a 98% recommendation rate, the IAPAM is the gold standard for aesthetic medicine and medical weight loss training. At the IAPAM, it's not just about Botox. You'll learn from board-certified dermatologists in a real clinical setting, not a hotel room, and gain hands-on experience in procedures like dermal fillers, lasers, and even non-invasive body sculpting. The IAPAM's successful aesthetic practice system is your ultimate roadmap to success. Follow these 4 simple steps: register for online training, set up your account, complete the training at your own pace, and start making more while working less. Why wait to elevate your practice? Our upcoming training events in Scottsdale, Arizona are filling up fast. Space is limited, so don't miss your chance to join the ranks of successful IAPAM certified providers.